In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your app into an AI knowledge base using Lovable MCP. To get started, head over to Lovable AI and begin by organizing the knowledge you want your assistant to use. This is the foundation of the entire setup. Think about the types of information people usually need help finding, such as help center articles, product documentation, internal policies, customer FAQs, training materials, technical documentation, or company procedures. The more clearly you group this content into categories, the easier it will be for your AI assistant to search and return accurate results. Once your information is organized, the next step is to store that knowledge inside your app. You can connect your application to a database or content source like Supabase, PostgreSQL, MySQL, a headless CMS, internal APIs, or document storage. The important part here is making sure your app can retrieve that content quickly and consistently. If the data is messy or difficult to access, the AI experience will suffer. After that, build the search functionality in your backend. Your app should be able to search by keyword, filter by category, retrieve specific articles, list related documents, and return summaries when needed. Strong search is what makes an AI knowledge base actually useful, because the assistant depends on that search layer to find the right information. Next, create read-only MCP tools that expose those search features. For example, you might create tools for searching the knowledge base, getting an article, listing categories, finding documentation, searching FAQs, or retrieving a policy. Use descriptive tool names and clear parameters so the AI client can understand exactly what each tool does. Now, inside your Lovable project, open agent integrations, enable the feature, and generate your MCP server. This allows Lovable to expose your configured tools to supported AI clients. Before connecting everything, make sure your knowledge base is secure. Protect private content with user authentication, OAuth if supported, role-based permissions, and server-side authorization. Only expose documents that the signed-in user should actually be allowed to access. With that done, connect your Lovable MCP server to a supported AI client like ChatGPT or Claude and complete authentication. Once connected, the assistant will automatically discover your knowledge-based tools. From there, users can ask questions in natural language, like how to reset an account password,